Turn up to this one, it's Worcester Bosch 30SI. It's previously been serviced and the engineer said it needed a new AAV, but he didn't have one, so the customer didn't want him back. Bit harsh really, but never mind. We can't all carry it as van stock. But anyway, we're going to whip the case off. 4 screws and then the control panel screw, pop that down. Oh yeah, you can see, I can't really describe what's going on there, but I'd say that's been going for quite a while. So we're going to isolate the electrics. Then we're going to isolate flow and return underneath with a spanner, not with a flathead screwdriver, because you break the brass. Pop the hose on the drain off. I always hold it on when I first open it because sometimes the pressure can blow the hose off. Let it drain into your strategically placed bucket. Pop the diverter valve out to dry pocket so you're not going to get wet. That just allows the boiler to drain from both circuits. Then open the vent at the top. Now you can see it's coming out a bit better. Spray plenty of WD-40 all over that air vent because that looks like it might be a bit of a nightmare to get out. For a bit more room, remove the condense trap, pop a screwdriver in there and then pull it forward and that'll release it out. It's a little bit tricky, but then pop it off the hose. I don't really know why I'm still holding the screwdriver like that, but never mind. So yeah, as you can see, that definitely needs changing. So open the new one up, comes with everything you need, new O-ring. Those little lugs on the side, that's what twists and locks it into place. Anyway, you're going to put plenty of lube on that O-ring. Just make life easy for yourself, because it can be quite tricky to pop that in. So to get the old one out, it's designed with that little tab on it. So you're supposed to stick a screwdriver between the two and then turn it. But like most things, it didn't really go to plan and it just snaps off. So plan B, just going to get some grips. You're just going to hold it. You're just going to turn it anti-clockwise and it will literally just pop itself out. And then you can remove this. Then I'm just going to remove the hose and do that up. There's a new one, there's the old one, ready to put it in. But first I use some wet wipes and I literally just clean all that out. So you can see how dirty it is. It just makes it a bit easier when it goes back in. And then once I'm happy it's all cleaned, I'll just put plenty of lube in there as well. With that all lubed up, it sits in that way, same way you got it out, and then twist it clockwise to lock it in. And it goes like not even quarter of a turn. So you want to line it up like that. You want to push it all the way down. If you push it and it doesn't quite go in, you need to take it back out and do it again because you won't move it. It has to just slot in first time. Once you're happy it's fully down and it's level, then it will just twist back round to lock itself in place. And then when you're at that stage, just undo it, the little cap on top. Then pop the condense strap back in, click it in, connect the hose. Then double check you did the drain off up, that's done up. Check the air vent, done that back up. Pop the diverter valve back in, pop the little hat on. Secure the control board back up so it's out the way. Then we're going to open up flow and return again. Remember, with a little spanner, not a flathead screwdriver. Plenty of lube on the filling loop key. Makes it easier for you and the customer. Now we're going to top the pressure back up again. You would have seen by now if we had any leaks, but it looks all good. So we're going to turn the power back on. And open a hot tap to create a demand. Green light means go. Carry out your 26 nines. Chuck that in the bin. It's another one done. Happy days.